Hey, he said it was evenly stacked with him, Kurt, and...
I don't give a fuck who it is. Let's go.
We did have Derek.
White boy.
Yeah.
But they won.
Hey, Taker's got you. Taker's got you.
Hey. Man, you ain't no Caitlin Clark. Get out of here, bro. What are you talking? Look at you. Look at you. Angela Reese.
Watch Ken. Watch Ken.
You're too small down there.
Get over there, both of y'all.
Good shot, Lou. Good catch, stop. You hold the ball too long.
I was holding my mid too long.
Switch, I got it. Let me have it.
Mike, feel him.
Hey, I just called that for you.
13, let's go.
Oh, easy. Brandon, or are you want to?
My name is Mother.
Let me take Brandon.
Come on.
Lou is the one I can't guard.
She can't guard me either, bro. I'm dead.
But Lou, I really can't guard. He's shooting him long.
Woo! I got Dave.
Zero contact. Zero contact.
Oh my God, you motherfucker, boy. I know. I know. We'll take that. We'll take that.
Get away, Derek. Set it up. Here's this play. Derek!
Let me double check. Three fucking times I'm gonna hit you. You're not ready for me.
Hey, when you go that way, I go this way.
Fuck.
Yeah, Jeremy.
Alan, why don't you play? Oh, yeah. Good. Let's go through that. Where did Curtis over? Where did he get Curtis over, Jack?
You throw that motherfucker, I know how to catch. I promise you I can catch. God damn, that's some good passing. Hurt. Damn. No, let's game.
Hold up.
I didn't call nothing. You gotta play. I don't care what y'all stop. That's game. You knew what was gonna happen. That's why you said no. He fouled you. So I'm gonna go score. You couldn't have. Sorry, down there. With nobody. I don't got time to argue.
You cut me out.
What? You said I flipped you off.
I said you cut me out. I'm contemplating if I'm a player now.
Hey, the losers is over there. Come on. Come on, I got something for you. You hold me this game?
What's up, youngsters? Hey, man. Stop here. That bus says.
He's not gonna come here, so I can't do that. Oh, shit. Ooh, Zach, I got it. Zach! Banger! Ah! Zach, it's right here. It's on camera, Zach. We know what you can do, Zach. We know what you can do. Okay!
Sorry, Mike, I stole your assist. Sorry, Mike, I stole your assist.
Woo! Oh!
Watch him now.
Oh, shit. I didn't think we was.
Hey, man, you know how old he is? Bless this shit.
I mean, I could bust this shit from here. Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah, Zach! Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh! Come here, come here. You can go up. Or you can do that. That's fine. Oh! I'm never going to forget him trying to dunk that ball. Man. You know, I got you another.
Woo! Hand down, man.
I'll play one.
You see what time it is? Ebony and Ivory don't lose, bro.
They was actually not running. That's why I said that.
Nobody's running. But
Y'all want to just stay down here?
no, we're going to go up and down, or I'm going to not play. Let's put that way. I'm not doing half court. No, Mike's not. Mike is through. I ain't in. Oh, you're in. Mike's out. All right. He's in for third. Fair. That's what we're going to leave. Dunk it! 9-7.
You want that?
Yeah, I want that.
I don't argue with you no more.
What would be the argument?
Hey, that's a flight.
Hey, no need to fight. No need to fight. I said no need to fight. He did what?
And then he came right back on lane.
Another one. But we on the same team. If I wouldn't have fouled him, that's game. Hey, I said, why?
You got time. Hey,